And this opportunity with the food truck, I've talked about it. My husband and I have talked about it for a long time. It just never came to be. And I used to have a bakery when the kids were little. I wanted to be able to stay home with them. And that just kind of evolved when we moved up to New Hampshire. It kind of fizzled out because I had both the kids and I didn't want to be that grouchy mom. And I decided, am I going to have employees and grow or, be the mom I want to be? So that love for food and whatnot just kind of
has always been there.
Always been there.